Pronunciation Workshop. Ricardo Hernández Telles, English Phonetics. Teacher Cesar Augusto Lara Sanchez. The monkey was bored. The New York Times is the most important newspaper in the world. The mouse took the cheese, through the mouse hole. The knowledge of languages is the doorway to wisdom. Yesterday, I tripped to London to represent my company. In the back garden, I saw a rabbit eating a carrot. The carrot can be purchased for only $150 per month. Don't give up. Keep going, because the victory that awaits you is great. The best mirror is an old friend. Time passes fast, and you should not waste it. Study now, and tomorrow you will be a successful person. The pencil is on the table, next to my notebook. He is absent from class today because he woke up sick. A true friend is who close to you when the rest of the world abandons you. Today's movie was the worst movie I've seen in a long time. Sometimes the sky is not the limit. Sometimes it's just the way.